Today's video is an Ipsy January 2018 Glam Bag product review. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're brand new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you've been here before, as always, thank you, and welcome back. And I am excited to bring all these products to you and tell you and give you my honest opinion. So without further ado, let's get started. This month's bag is a mesh, colorful, bright bag that shows off your sporty side. Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser is made with grapefruit and amino acids that gently remove dirt and oil and makeup while conditioning your skin. Next is the Seraphine Botanicals Raisin Plus Cream Long Lasting Lip Stain. I really like this lip stain a lot because it had a Crayola look and feel to it. The color was just a tad bit light for my skin color, but overall I think I enjoyed it a lot. I ended up having to use a lip liner to outline my lips, and then I colored it in with the lip stain. I think the color blended in quite nicely, don't you think? Here's something interesting, the coffee scrub in coconut. It's made with antioxidants, which is good for your skin. It has a very strong smell though. If you are a coffee lover, you wouldn't mind it. Now, what's interesting about the coffee scrub is that it is supposed to exfoliate your skin as a regular scrub does, and it really has coffee grinds. And I loved it because I used it on my arm just as a tester and it worked just fine. If you know me, you know that I love liquid eyeliner, and in this bag was the Ciate London Fierce Flicks liquid eyeliner. The tip was a little bit thicker than what I'm used to, but I enjoyed it nonetheless, even still, and it glided on really nicely and it made a very nice fine line nonetheless. So I recommend this eyeliner. Last but not least is the City Colors Cosmetics Contour Palette, made with finely pressed powder that feels velvety smooth against your skin. It has a contour, bronzer, and highlight shades which are highly pigmented, which means a little goes a long way. It can be used both wet and dry. Now, I use this bronzer here to highlight the hollows of my cheeks, as you can see here. I do it on both sides to even it out. Next, I use the contour shade just below my cheekbones on both sides. And what this does, it gives it a feeling of more depth, so you can see the cheekbone and the jawbone a little bit more prominently. And the last thing I use is the highlighter along the top of my cheekbones, which gives it a very nice glow. Well, that's it everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section which one of these products you enjoyed and if you're using these products already or if you plan to use these products. Be sure to stick around for more Annie Talks and Celebration Awareness videos coming up in the next few weeks and months. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Promotional consideration provided by Luxwear Trends, affordable, luxurious timepieces for every occasion, luxury that lasts forever, and that's what sets us apart from others. Find us on Facebook and Instagram or visit luxweartrends.com. That's Luxe weartrends.com. Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment and like below. Today's video is a product, and if you're not already subscribed,